Nightstands with wheels are a versatile addition to any bedroom. There are many products available to choose nightstands with wheels, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best nightstands with wheels from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DMBSS LED Nightstand with Charging Station. The DMBSS LED nightstand combines style and functionality to enhance your bedroom. It features an automatic LED light that turns on and off based on your movement, allowing you to create the perfect ambience. With 2 built-in USB ports, charging your devices is convenient, whether you're lounging on the bed or sofa. The top workstation is adjustable and swivels, making it easy to find the right angle for your laptop or book. Additionally, the spacious design includes multiple storage options to keep your essentials organized and within reach, ensuring a clutter-free environment. Number 2. End table set of 2 with charging station. The Furlingham Charging End Tables set offers a convenient solution for your charging needs. With built-in USB ports and outlets, you can easily power your devices right by your bedside or sofa. The clever storage options, including a side pocket and multiple shelves, help you keep essentials like remotes and keys organized. Additionally, the sturdy design with wheels allows for easy movement throughout your home, making it simple to reposition as needed. This versatile piece is perfect for small spaces, ensuring you have everything you need at your fingertips. Number 3. Yidahome White Nightstand. The Yidahome Nightstand is a modern and versatile addition to any room. It features a charging station with 2 AC outlets and 2 USB ports, allowing you to easily power your devices without clutter. The smart RGB LED lighting enhances your space, letting you customize colors and create the perfect ambience. Additionally, the lift-top design transforms this nightstand into a mobile workstation, offering a comfortable surface for work or relaxation. With ample storage options, including 2 drawers and an open shelf, you can keep your essentials organized and your space tidy. Number 4. DMBSS LED Nightstand with Charging Station and Sockets. The DMBSS LED Nightstand is a modern bedside table designed for convenience and style. With its auto on-off LED light feature, you can enjoy 3 color options that adjust brightness according to your needs, providing the perfect ambience. The built-in sockets and USB ports make it easy to charge your devices while relaxing in bed or on the sofa. Additionally, the nightstand doubles as a laptop tray workstation, allowing you to work or watch films comfortably with adjustable height and angle. Its spacious storage, including a drawer and open shelves, keeps your essentials organized and within reach. Number 5. Upgraded Multifunctional Height Adjustable Over Bed End Table. The Emo Life Nightstand is a versatile piece of furniture designed to enhance your living space. It features durable E1, grade MDF, and a sturdy carbon steel frame, ensuring longevity. You can easily adjust the height from 27 to 35 inches, making it perfect for various tasks like studying or using your laptop. With a 360-degree swivel top, you can position it just how you like. Additionally, the 2 drawers and open shelf offer ample storage for your essentials, while the swivel casters make moving it effortless, so you can rearrange your space as needed.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.